In this video, we shall prove this theorem which says that if D is a positive divisor of n, then the number of elements of order D in a cyclic group of order n is phi D, where phi is Euler phi function. Let us understand this statement with the following example. So let us take n equal to 30 and D equal to 10. So we have a cyclic group of order 30. Order of G is 30 and D we are taking 10. So this group G will have 5D elements, that means 510 elements of order 10. Now 510 is the number of positive integers which are less than and relatively prime to 10. So 510, so these numbers are 1, 3, 7 and 9. So there are four such numbers which are less than 10 and relatively prime to 10. So 510 is 4. So that means a cyclic group of order 30 has 4 elements of order 10. To prove the theorem, let us consider a cyclic group G of order n. By fundamental theorem of cyclic groups, G has exactly one subgroup of order D, and let us call it cyclic group generated by A. Now since order of this cyclic group is D, order of the generator A is also D. Let B be another element of order D. We shall prove that this B is in this cyclic group A. Now if order of B is D, then cyclic group generated by B is also D, but there is exactly one subgroup of order D, so this cyclic group B generated by B should be equal to cyclic group generated by A, and therefore B belongs to A. Because B belongs to cyclic group generated by B, so B is in A. So every element of order D is coming from this cyclic group only. By corollary 2 of theorem 4.2, a to the power k generates this cyclic group A if and only if GCD of k and D is 1, and number of such k is of course phi D. So this proves the theorem. Theorem 4.4 says that if G is a cyclic group of order n, and if D is a divisor of n, then G has exactly 5D elements of order D. But do remember that this 5D number of elements of order D depends only on D and not on the number n. For example, consider these groups Z8 cyclic group of order 8, Z80 cyclic group of order 80, Z800, Z8000. So 8 divides the order of all these groups. 8 divides 8, 8 divides 80, 8 divides 800, and 8 divides 8000. So all these groups contain 8 elements of order 8, and 8 is 4. So all these have 4 elements of order 8. It does not matter what is the order of the group, so it matters what D we are taking. So here we are taking D equal to 8, so it has only 4 elements of order